In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Arena Breakout not compatible. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. So, first of all, with your mobile turned on, you can locate the Play Store app on your devs. After doing that, you can click to open the app. Now you'll be able to check the homepage of Play Store and you can see and change everything you want here. You can check games, apps, books and much more. But we just want to know how to fix Arena Breakout not compatible. So if you want to fix that problem, first step is you can just locate your icon right here in the top corner, your profile picture. So after doing that, this page will appear on your screen and you'll be able to check some informations here. You can check manage, apps devs, notifications offers, library and much more. So you can go to this option right here, settings. Now you'll be able to see the settings menu. You can check general, network preference, authentication, family and much more. So if you want to fix Arena Breakout not compatible problem, you can go to the last option right here. Now you'll be able to check about Google Play. So if you make this step, your game will be not with the problem anymore. You can just click to update Play Store. So after doing that, you can just search for the settings of your phone. You can locate the settings app right here and click to open the settings app. After doing that, you'll be able to see the settings menu. You can locate the search bar right here, this icon. You can click there and the search bar will appear right here. You can search now for Play Store and you'll be able to check the app info of Play Store. So after clicking there, you just have to wait. So you'll be able to check other informations of the Google Play Store app. If you swipe pressing to the bottom, you'll be able to check privacy, defaults, usage and much more. If you go to this one right here, storage, you'll be able to see this option. You just have to do now is click in clear cache. So after doing that, your problem will be fixed. So until the moment I'm recording this video, that's the only way to do that. That's how it works. I hope I helped you in how to fix Arena Breakout not compatible. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.